This is a 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. The left rear taillight was recently cracked, and I'm going to replace it with a new taillight that I purchased from a local salvage yard. Begin by opening the tailgate. This will expose the two screws that secure the taillight in place. This is the new taillight. Flip it over and note its anatomy. On one edge, there are two protrusions that I'll refer to as plugs. These will later plug into their designated holes in the body of the truck. On the other edge, there are two screws. These are the screws that secure the light in place. Prepare the new light for installation by removing the two screws using a Torx driver. Also, be sure to keep the metal clips in place where the screws were removed. Next, using the Torx driver, remove the two screws that secure the old tail light in this location. Then, grasp the light and pull it straight out to unplug it from the truck body. It may take some effort to work it out. Here's a close-up of the holes from where the light plugs were pulled. Next, remove the bulbs by turning the sockets counterclockwise and pulling them from the housing. When the last bulb is free, the taillight can be removed. Now take a dry cloth and clean the bulbs and the wiring harness. Next, take the new taillight and return the bulbs to their proper locations in the reverse order as they came out. Now install the taillight by first lining up the plugs to their designated holes in the truck body. Once the plugs are lined up, snap into place using a gentle bump with your hands. Finally, secure the light using the two new screws and the Torx driver. The taillight is now ready to use.